Despite 63% of the women entrepreneurs having access to some form of mentorship, nearly 90% rely on relatives or friends for business advices. Understanding a lack, undercomes scoring a lack of formal networking and skill enhancement opportunity. Trajectory, especially while figuring out ways to scale up startups. मतलब quite a natural scenario कि जब
Yeah.
आपके पास इतने सारे mentors available होते हैं, but you always go back to your inner circle, family, friends, probably who may, मतलब I'm not telling, the intent may be the best intent, but they may not be able to guide you like your mentors do. So, what do you think is a solution there which we can find out where the women can get more networking platforms?
So before we even get to the solution, na, Sonal, like I had to ask myself, what was this phenomena? What
Mm.
I've realized, like even from learning, like even the femininity and polarity itself, like what happens to us as women, we are at our creative best when we feel safe. We can't
True.
we can't
You
be
can take
truly
risk,
creative from a place of stress and tension. Now,
right?
whom do we feel safest with? It's our family, it's our friend,
Family.
like whoever supporting our dream. Not that everybody in your family or not that all of your friends might say, "Oh, great idea, let's do this." But if you find even like two or three people in your small little network who are saying, like, this is really great. I'm here to talk about it, you feel safe enough to bring out maybe your worst fears or your insecurities or your challenges. You talk about it, and then you get some feedback from there. Most of it might be positive, and then we get stuck in that loop कि अच्छा, whenever I have this difficulty, I'm going to go call this person, talk to
To
them,
this person.
and कुछ तो मतलब some degree of sense of solution मिल जाएगा, and then I can do something. But when we get stuck in this loop, we miss out on the bigger picture. So um, in the last 1 year, in fact, I started working with a mentor who comes with immense B school experience. He's an IIM person, worked with Anderson, Infosys, Coca-Cola, all of that. His ability to see through my bullshit sometimes is so immense, and the kind of inputs he has given has really altered how I might build this company up also. So it has changed my perspective, it has changed my approach to what I would think is the entrepreneurial journey and iThrive's growth also. Now, most women, we get scared because
Hmm.
कोई कुछ बोल देगा कि see we बचपन से we've heard enough number of times कि ना हो पाएगा तुमसे, छोड़ दो, या फिर sacrifice or adjust. We've Most women have heard that enough number of times. So when we get a mentor who comes with a true interest in mentoring, which is then seeing where your faults might lie, seeing where there are flaws, see where there are gaps, see where there are blind spots, and then tell you that, like, fix these things so that you'll move into the next stratosphere of your growth. We really don't like that. We don't. So, but then we miss out on growth opportunities. So, my general suggestion to any woman, even man, like any entrepreneur watching this, is actively seek out mentors. And the thing is, what kind of mentors might work for you, only you would truly know. Now, for me, it was really
Absolutely.
important to find a mentor who has a certain amount of spiritual inclination, because
Hmm.
I didn't want to just go into this entire capitalist way of building a company that, growth at all costs.
Somebody, because you yourself a very spiritual person, so you obviously have to get in somebody who can match wavelength,
But
understand the business
yes.
that you have. So obviously,
So each founder is different. Now, for a founder, if it is like really you want to grow really quickly, you want to scale up really fast, then find a mentor who has shown expertise in that. But the
hmm,
job of finding a mentor is ours only. Like we have to say
have
that,
that
okay,
confidence.
I really think I don't know everything I would need to know. Therefore, I have to find people. Now, for women, there are different platforms that have come. I've not really used those platforms too much. I really used LinkedIn and like just listening to people's podcasts and listening to amazing people speak and say that, oh, I want advice from this person, I want advice from this person. And that's how I went about seeking mentors. So expand, learn about what's happening in the
The
world. Some of the
network.
best authors are open to mentoring, and then find these people and then learn from them, because otherwise you are doing yourself and your business a big disservice.